Hi everyone, so I'm Megha Gulati. I am a business coach and a performance marketer by profession. It's been 8 years for me into marketing, and I'm also a certified life coach, a professional sound healer, and certified NLP and mindfulness practitioner. So basically, numerology is something that has always interested me, always, because I've been always fantasized by the idea of numbers, energy, how they affect us. And recently, I have had a session with Mr. Rajiv for numerology. What I loved about the session was that according to the numbers, graphology, signature, he could tell me insights about what has happened in my past life. It was a pure clarity on where I am stuck in life, where I can work, which is true also. Somewhere I knew that, okay, this is the part where I'm stuck at. But when he analyzed my handwriting, my signature, he started giving me insights that, okay, if you can work on this, then things can improvise. And I'm a very logic driven person, so when he gave, the best part was that he was giving me insights side by side, that how, for example, handwriting is showing your subconscious patterns, which is very true. If I can consciously improvise those patterns, consciously involve numbers in my life which are not there, I believe that I can take the benefit of those energies. And the most beautiful part was that he told me a lot about my career, my health, my relationships, my spiritual journey, which is basically, I think, the four dimensions where a person should know about what they are doing. So it is a lot of clarity, and I believe it is very believable clarity. You are not forcing that, okay, this is your number, that is why you have to do that. But it is something that you can logically believe in, you can actually implement in your life. Very easy things. I see that people try many different variations to change their subconscious patterns, to change their beliefs. Whereas I actually feel that using numerology and using graphology, one can easily improvise these subconscious patterns. And it's been 15 days to that odd sessions. I have been practicing my signature. I have been practicing a couple of things that he said. And I actually do see the difference. Like a very small example, he said that your self-esteem issues were existing. Yes, and through graphology, I have seen a very, very big change. So thank you, Mr. Rajiv, firstly. And secondly, if anyone thinks that they believe in this sort of numerology, energy, and graphology, it does help in changing your subconscious patterns. That would be my 2 cents. Thank you so much again. I'm so grateful that I have had a chance to have this session. Thank you.